Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making a short review of this product. This is the Redgear Blaze semi-mechanical keyboard they say, but it is membrane as it is clearly mentioned here. This is the 3-color version. This has 19 keys anti-ghosting. Sometimes that does not work, I don't know why. This does not have 1000 Hz of polling rate. I have checked it with the keyboard tester app. This does not support 1000 Hz. It is just 125 Hz keyboard. It has few media options, double injection keycaps. That is pretty normal at this price. This has Windows lock, which is again good. So this is the keyboard. It is in breathing RGB or breathing light mode. I always have wanted a keyboard with just a single colored backlight, and this delivers it. And for the price which I got it for, this is very good. I got it for just 479 rupees. Now you can turn off the LED. The 3 colors are red, blue and this pink, and after that it turns off and begins again from red. You can decrease the brightness by pressing the function and page down. Just 3 levels of brightness, which is good. This has aluminium body, which is again very good for the price I got it. If you are getting it for 600 or more, don't buy it. You can pay a little bit extra and go for some better keyboards. Even Redgear has better keyboards in that price range. The Blaze is not at all suitable for that price range. Now what I do not like about this keyboard is these lights. Look, now if I turn this on and the Windows lock on, you can see these are way too bright for what their purpose are. These are way too much in the face. These irritate you a lot. These will irritate you a lot. This irritates me during playing games or any other work. This is the only complaint I have with this keyboard. Otherwise, for 479 rupees, this is the best keyboard. No other keyboard has aluminium body and even a backlight at this price. I am not sure about the backlight thing, but I am 100% sure that no other keyboard has an aluminium body at this price. It is pretty solid aluminium, not the most thick I have seen, but it is pretty good. That weighs 823 grams, and you can see it has a braided cable. Even my Redgear Shadow Amulet, which I got for 1600 rupees, does not have a braided cable. That does not even have a paracord cable. That has a rubber cable, but that is mechanical, so I had to pay that much price. That was the cheapest one I got it. Cheapest mechanical from a known brand. Now speaking about this, if you can get it for under 500 or maximum of 520, I can say this is very good. But for 600, for which it is available now, or more, there's no reason to buy it. There are better keyboards for 100 or 200 more. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more of these kinds of videos in the future. Thank you.